Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X3 and today I'm going to show you how to enable the power saving mode on this watch. And the power saving mode, as the name suggests, is basically designed to save the power on your watch. It disables a lot of the functions of the watch to increase the battery life basically. And of course I'm going to show you how to enable it and how to disable it. So let's get started. So to enable the power saving mode, we need to press and hold the lower button right here. Keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. And once the menu pops up, find the power saver icon, tap on it, and the power saving mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. Basically, the watch looks normally, but it will disconnect from your phone. Also, some of the functions will be disabled. And that's how the power saving mode works. It disables a lot of the functions of the watch to save the power, basically. And once you decide to turn it off, you can press and hold the lower button again. And then tap on the smart mode. Then tap on enable. And the watch will go back to the smart mode, which is the default mode of the watch. Okay, we're back in the smart mode. That took longer than I expected, but now the watch should be working as normal. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.